Light that bends to your will. Propelled at the speed of your thoughts. Character that changes according to your mood. Awareness of all that's around you. Travel the world on a whim. Give voice to every little notion. Wrap yourself in a symphony. Create your very own atmosphere. To make the new Audi A6 Matrix, we didn't just explore your emotions, we listened to your mind. The new Audi A6 Matrix, engineered intuition. Just when you thought we had reached the pinnacle, in true Audi tradition, we pushed it a little bit further. With the new Audi A6 Matrix, we are writing the next chapter in an excellent success story. Listening to the customer continues to be at the core of our strategy in India. Made in India, but more importantly, made for India, the new Audi A6 Matrix includes a host of features designed to offer best-in-class technology and a true luxury experience. Whether you're behind the wheel or in the rear seat, the new Audi A6 Matrix offers a host of features designed for your comfort and convenience. In addition to the new Matrix LED headlights, powerful new engine with S-tronic transmission and best-in-class infotainment system, the advanced MMI system offers a remote control for the convenience of the rear seat passenger. Rear seat passengers can adjust the co-driver's seat at the click of a button to get additional legroom. Continuing our dedication to safety, the new Audi A6 Matrix comes with 8 airbags, 2 of which are dedicated to the rear seat, a best-in-class feature. The new Audi A6 Matrix, designed to be more intuitive, more powerful, more efficient, and more sophisticated than ever. The new Audi A6 Matrix, it just knows.